siguro I demand an answer. I'm not simply asking for an answer, but I demand for an answer. Ready ka na sa number 2?
Oh my God.
Do you want to be an ate na, anak? Hi guys! Ibang intro ngayon, di ba? Ibang kasiyahan ko. Welcome to Lucky TV and welcome to probably the most special Luis Listens episode ever sa history ng vlog ko. Bakit? Dahil ang guest ko ay ang aking misis, of course, at first time na makakasama ay ang aming baby na si Peanut. What sound does the lion make? Ha? Di ba ganun ang lion?
Hindi. Roar yung
However,
lion.
I love you and wow, belated happy birthday.
Thank you.
Belated happy
Thank
birthday.
you. Hi everyone. Hi mga ka-Lucky TV.
Kwentuhan mo kung anong kaganapan ng birthday mo.
Wala naman, actually same day yung birthday ko and yung first birthday.
What?
First birthday celebration ni Rosie.
Yes, actually, iisang birthday month lang si How How and si Peanut. Si How How, December 3. Si Peanut naman ay December 28.
Yes, tapos mag-iisang celebration pa kami on December 28 para talaga yung birthday niya. The reason kung bakit December 3 ang kanyang first birthday party
Yes.
is because lahat ng tao magbabakasyon na ng December 28. Baka walang pumunta sa birthday ng anak namin. Kaya, ayun, mas maaga
At yun
na
lang
lang.
yung available dates ng U2 and Ed Sheeran. Yes, magda-live hindi si Ed, si Ed Sheeran.
Pagpasensyahan nyo ng aming malikot na chikiting, gusto na niyang tumatayo ngayon. Ayaw niya
Yes.
steady lang na nakaupo.
Unang katanungan para sa Luis Lessons para sa'yo, How How, ay, how's everything? Siyempre, bilang isang may
Siya sasagot. Hi!
bilang isang may bahay at bilang mommy ni Peanut.
I can't say perfect, but I'm really happy where we are. I mean, of course, hindi naman palaging rainbows and butterflies, hindi palaging masaya. Siyempre, may mga moments din na struggles, at saka meron din tayong mga bagay na pinagdadaanan minsan. But you know, that's life. And you know naman how much I value family. And dito sa aspeto na to, I'm very, very content. And
Relax ka ba sa pwesto? Relax ka masyado sa pwesto mo.
gusto mo ba kay Ate Mel muna?
Anak, sumbihan ka ng 2 million.
Kasi di
Ito ka lang.
makakonsentrate si Papa. You go to Ate Mel first.
Ay nako, hindi mo makashoot ng maayos sa vlog ko. Tapos, kinino bang bata yan? Sino ba yung may hawak ng mga talents? Oh, talent ba yung bata? Tapos sabi mo, anxiety. What's the biggest anxiety na pumapasok sa isip mo?
Nung time na yon or
Either or. Sa lahat. From the day na nalaman mo na yung positive yung test, hindi yung antigen.
sabi niyo light lang to.
Oo.
Charing. Naiiyak ako.
Bakit?
Ano ba? More of, am I doing enough? Yun. Yun po, Tito Boy. Charing.
Like what?
The boss one.
Like what? In what sense? Na parang in terms of time spent with the family or other things?
In everything. Kasi I think, as a wife, parang nandun din yung, am I doing enough for my husband, for my child, for my family. Tapos nandun din yung, syempre, your life changes, di ba? Parang from being single to being a wife and then magiging mommy ka. Parang, syempre, even yung career mo magbabago, yung katawan mo magbabago, yung outlook mo sa buhay magbabago. So talagang nandun yung change. Parang syempre you're diving into the unknown. Na yun yung nagpapa-anxious sa'yo.
When you have those thoughts, what appeases you?
Kayong dalawa talaga ni Rosie. Ito talaga si Bagets, isang tingin ko lang sa kanya, oh my gosh, para akong natutunaw, nawawala lahat ng worries ko. And ikaw yung mga assurance mo, and of course yung support mo, as a father and as a husband, yung mga nagpapakalma sa akin. And prayers, of course. Happy baby, masayahin siya, di ba? So, I think I did a family.
Yes.
They see her as a really, really happy baby. And that alone is enough.
Anak, huwag mong kamutin, wala tayong pera. anak, hindi natin studio to, anak. Oo, anak,
Do you
please.
want to play ba?
Ang gastos.
The moment I wake up, the moment na makita ko siyang, yung her face brightens up when I see her. Diba? Tapos yung mag-wave na siya. Marunong na kasi siya mag-wave,
Yes.
diba?
Maganda pa nga yung wave niya. At saka ganahan yung
Oo,
wave niya.
tapos pag gusto ka niya lumapit talagang she'll reach out for you. Lahat talaga as a mom, best lahat ng moments. There are good moments, there are also bad moments. Pero siya talaga parang, I don't know, parang pagdating sa kanya, best lahat. Oh, tapos uwi ka, kailangan mo siyang makita, you will actually make time for her. Talagang pupuntahan mo siya and you're so in love with her. Yay!
Yay! At tingnan niya, may ngipin na siya.
Oo,
Oo,
hindi
meron
na
na.
siya.
Tsaka paglabas ng ngipin, naka-braces na agad. Oo, ang cute na. Ganun siya kasosyal.
You are a great provider. You're an awesome dad.
Is there any aspect sa pagiging isang asawa or daddy na I could improve on or do better?
Siguro more time. Spend more time with her. But ganun talaga, di ba, I've been telling you na hindi mo talaga magagawa lahat. And
Oh. I love you.
oo,
Bang! I love you. Ako patay. Yay! Abunado na kami tuloy. Yay! Okay.
ganun talaga. Ayun na, isa pang gusto kong no?
At bago tayo magpaalam, ito na siguro ang pinaka-importanting tanong na siguro ay demand an answer. I'm not simply asking for an answer, but I demand for an answer. Ready ka na sa number 2?
Oh my God.
Because nandiyan si number 1.
Come here. Okay, you want to be
Peanut?
an ate?
Do you want to be an ate na? Do you want to be an ate? Do you want to be an ate na, anak? Sabi mo, dalawa na yung gumaganon, no?
Kung ibigay ni Lord, edi go. Siyempre, nasa ano lang talaga yan, nasa plano ni Lord.
Anong gusto mong sabihin sa chikiting na to before we say goodbye?
I love you, my Rosie. I love you. I love you.
Say hi.
Nagbababay na siya.
Say bye-bye! I'll go home na!
I love you.
I love you, anak.
Gusto ko lang na malaman niya talaga na gagawin natin ang lahat para sa kanya. Tulad ng pagtatapos ng vlog na to para mabuhat na siya
Yes,
kasi
yes.
nagwawala na siya.
But how? Well, belated happy birthday. I love you. And alam ko, you ask me sometimes, and it's normal. But I will tell you over and over again, you are an awesome mom.
Thank you.
And
Uy,
you-
uy, may gusto nang bumaba.
Excuse me.
Oh, baba.
You are an awesome daughter.
Okay, bumaba na siya. Bumaba na siya.
I love you.
Thank you. Thank you for having us. How kahit pa medyo maraming commercial yung vlog na to.
Okay lang. Belated happy birthday. Advanced happy birthday kay Peanut. And thank you very much, guys, for watching. And thank you din, syempre, sa love na pinapakita niyo sa The Manzanos.
Oo, grabe
Oo,
yung support
sobra.
nila sa atin.
So thank you sa inyong lahat for showing the appreciation and love sa pamilya namin. Bye guys!